Okay, this is what we're looking for. This is the eastern white pine. It's been a while since I've been on this trail, but last time I was here, about 6 months ago, I noticed a group of pine trees clustered together. So I made a mental note to come back because the cold season is right around the corner, and I'm going to use some needles from the eastern white pine to make myself a batch of cough syrup. Okay, this is what we're looking for. This is the eastern white pine, and it's very easy to identify because its needles grow in clusters of 5. Let me show you. So I've just plucked this off the tree, and as you can see, there are 5 needles joined together at the base, and that is how you can tell that this particular pine is the eastern white pine. If you don't have the eastern white pine in your area, you can substitute the Norwegian spruce or other spruces. Just be careful because a lot of trees may look benign, but they could actually be quite toxic. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's better to stay away unless you're absolutely sure. The thing about plants also is that if the plant is toxic and you ingest it, you may not get a second chance. So be very, very careful. Okay, what we're going to do first is get a half a cup of water on the boil. Now I was very lucky in that the pine needles that I was able to gather, I gathered them all from a pine that had fallen over in a storm. I didn't have to take any needles from a living tree, so that worked out well. I got everything I needed pretty much just by picking it up off the downed tree. Let's let this boil and we'll add our pine needles. Okay, our water is boiling and we're going to add the pine needles. Wish you guys could smell this. Lower this down. And I'm going to let this boil for a couple of minutes until the needles start to lose their color. Okay, that's how we want it to look. I'm just going to turn off the burner for a moment and strain this out through a piece of cheesecloth into another pot. We just want to get rid of the bits of pine. Then we're going to bring this back onto the flame. Wow, the aroma. Okay, we're looking like this. That's the essence right there. Okay. Get a couple of these bits out. Okay. Now we add a half a cup of honey and bring that back to a simmer. Okay, I'm going to put this back on the heat and reduce this down. It's going to become a thick syrup. As you can see, it's thickened up It's very, very hot now, so I'm going to let it cool off a bit before I put it in a mason jar. So in the end, this is what we're left with, about 3 ounces of highly concentrated cough syrup made from pine needles, raw honey, and a little bit of water. For those of you who don't like to take a lot of over-the-counter products, this might be an option for you, especially if you live in an area where pine trees or even spruce trees happen to grow. I invite you all to come to my new Instagram page, Official Weekend Wanderer. I will post there hopefully daily, and I will post a lot of things that don't always make it to YouTube. Thank you very much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.